In this video, we'll show you how to use Elevenlabs Text-to-Speech software. With this software, you can easily convert your written text into spoken words. This is a great tool for podcasts, video voiceovers, and more. Let's get started. The first step is to download and install the Elevenlabs Text-to-Speech software. You can find the download link on their website. Once you've downloaded it, follow the installation instructions on your screen. After installing the software, open it and enter the text you want to convert to speech. You can type directly into the software or copy and paste from another source. Next, select the voice you want to use from a variety of options. You can choose from male, female, and even some specialized voices. Preview the voice you've selected by clicking on the play button. You can adjust the speed, pitch, and volume of the voice to your liking. Play around with these settings until you're happy with the output. Once you're satisfied with the settings, export the audio file in the format of your choice. You can choose from MP3, WAV, and other common formats. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to using Elevenlabs Text-to-Speech software. With its easy-to-use interface and great range of voices, you can quickly create high-quality voiceovers for your projects. Thanks for watching.